Hi, you've been hearing me share about Redox, a product by ASEA. Actually, there's no need for curiosity here. What I want you to understand, how easy it is to use, its benefits, and how to purchase it. By the way, my name is Amanda Nav, and I specialize in helping both men and women overcome health challenges, unlock your potential, and meet your new self by just introducing redox signaling molecules and a combination of my 10 years of experience in coaching, life coaching, mindset coaching, fitness coaching, and personal growth coaching. And I love doing all those. My question to you is, what health problem would you like to overcome or improve before 2025? Are you interested in investing in a product that has no copycat, using technology that's native to your body? And you might have heard that redox ingredients are just salt and water, but I'm here to tell you from my own experience, having tried it myself, that this is not the whole story. Be open-minded and skip any skepticism you may have. And did you know that if your cells can communicate effectively, little else matters? I can share all the scientific evidence and studies if that's what you're looking for. But for now, let's make it simple. And I just want to highlight that once you put this into your body, you won't get allergic reactions to it. Just to clarify, it's not just salt and water as you may think. Redox was patented by redox scientists for a reason. And although I don't have a medical background, I'm mentored by a retired food surgeon specialist, and I have included a 2 minute video for you called forsomeoneyouLove.com. Again, forsomeoneyouLove.com, that explain it better. And I encourage you to watch it fully for you to understand what is ASEA all about. Just to let you know that I've been using this technology since 2021, and I have studied it extensively, learning from some of the best specialist experiences across different medical fields. And I'm so blessed, and I continue to learn every single day behind the science of this technology. And of course, for you, you don't really have to dive deeper into the science for now. Again, make it simple. What exactly is ASEA Redox? Let me give you a brief explanation that's easy to understand. ASEA is a special drink that helps your body stay strong and healthy. It's made from water and special molecules that our cells use to communicate with each other. When our cells can communicate well, our body works better, helping us feel good and stay healthy. It's like giving your body a boost to function at its best. It has been available for over a decade and was first released in 2009. Now available in 37 countries worldwide. There are two major products I want to introduce to you today. Number one is the Redox Water, and number two is the Redox Gel. How to use them? Let's talk first about the Redox Water. Drink 60 ml with an empty stomach at least 10 minutes before meal. Hold the liquid in your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds before swallowing. Why? This allows your body to absorb the redox signaling molecules. By the way, when you make a purchase on my website, amandanav.myasealive.com, you will also receive a small plastic cap to measure your redox intake. Now, let's talk about the redox gel. How to redox gel? Rate your level of discomfort on a scale from 1 to 10 being the most intense and 1 being the least. For knee discomfort or shoulder discomfort, apply 3 times in 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, rate your discomfort level again and compare it to the initial rating. Did you know that people who have tried it have reported a significant reduction in discomfort, often from 10 to 2 or even to 0? I can tell you all the benefits, but I'd rather you experience it yourself to feel and believe it. How to purchase Redox today and try our 30-day money-back guarantee? Visit my personal website, amandanav.myasealive.com. Once you open my website, you will see 3 bars on the left. From there, you can also find the option like join here or buy here. Feel free to reach out to me anytime if you need any assistance. All you have to do is to leave a comment, and rest assured, I'll respond every comment. If you have any questions about the prices, visit my website to find your country location, amandanav.myasealive.com, and the website will automatically convert to your currency. And once you purchase through my website, you will be personally mentored by me. And to make it sure that you get resolved. And if you want to hear global testimonies from those who have experienced it, it's important for you to connect with me so I can answer all your questions personally. What are you waiting for? Purchase Redox today and change your story.